As I mentioned from the very beginning, this workshop was initially thought to, let's say, even informal exchange of lessons learned and methodologies and methodological decisions among those of us that are implementing social LCA. And due to the interest, has become more, let's say, kind of a workshop with different levels of experience in the audience. And our plan is to not leave this workshop isolated, but to initiate a kind of task force, a kind of initiative in order to keep on exchanging and in order to, when possible, and if possible, to try to take decisions together, for instance, in some of the aspects that methodologically speaking are of interest for all of us.